choosing the right racing drone isn't easy. Weak motors, unstable flight, short battery life, and poor camera quality can ruin the thrill. That's where modern racing drones step in, with faster speeds, better control, and advanced FPV features. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best racing drones you can buy right now. Perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and serious racers alike. We've explored specs, features, and user feedback to build this list. Check the description for updated prices and links. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Number 5. ZWN SG600 Max Racing Drone. The ZWN SG600 Max is a fun and beginner-friendly racing drone designed with full protective guards for safer flights. Its brushless motors deliver stable performance, while altitude hold helps maintain smooth control even for new users. The unique football-style design adds durability, making it resistant to crashes during high-speed play. With 2.4 GHz remote control, it ensures responsive handling and decent range. Ideal for both kids and adults, this drone offers a balance of safety, control, and racing excitement for casual outdoor fun and practice sessions. Number 4. CONUSEA 2-in-1 Flying Car Drone. The CONUSEA 2-in-1 drone stands out with its dual air and ground driving modes, making it both a racing drone and an RC car. This versatile design allows you to race on land and take off instantly for aerial action. Equipped with 2.4 GHz control, it provides smooth switching between modes and stable performance. Its compact size and off-road capability make it perfect for indoor and outdoor fun. Designed for kids and beginners, it's a great entry-level option that combines creativity, durability, and exciting racing features in one package. Number 3. Emax Tinyhawk 3 Plus FPV Racing Drone. The Emax Tinyhawk 3 Plus is a serious FPV racing drone built for speed and precision. Featuring ELRS control and analog or HD0 video transmission, it delivers low-latency performance for competitive flying. The included camera provides real-time FPV experience, while the 1S HV battery ensures efficient power for fast-paced races. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for tight tracks and indoor racing. Whether you choose BNF or RTF, this drone is ideal for enthusiasts who want pro-level control and immersive racing performance. Number 2. SL-X07M 7-inch Racing Drone. The SL-X07M 7-inch racing drone is built for power and aerial performance, featuring a large frame and high-speed capabilities. Equipped with a 4K HD camera and GPS support, it offers both racing excitement and aerial photography features. The strong motors provide excellent lift and stability, even in outdoor conditions. With FPV functionality, you can enjoy immersive real-time flying, while advanced controls ensure precise handling. This drone is perfect for users who want a mix of racing speed and cinematic footage in one powerful quadcopter. Number 1. 8K Dual Camera FPV Racing Drone. The 8K Dual Camera FPV Racing Drone takes the top spot with its advanced features and high-performance design. It comes with dual HD cameras for enhanced aerial views and supports Wi-Fi FPV for real-time streaming. The powerful 4-axis system ensures stable and responsive flight, even at higher speeds. With its sleek build and strong motors, it's suitable for both racing and aerial photography. Whether you're capturing stunning footage or enjoying fast-paced flying, this drone delivers premium performance and versatility in one complete package. Racing drones today offer speed, control, and exciting features for every skill level. From beginner-friendly designs to advanced FPV racers, these top 5 options deliver great value and performance. Whether you want fun, racing, or aerial shots, there's a perfect drone here. Which one would you choose? Let me know below.